Your name gets thrown around quite a bit, Alucard. The things people say. They tell stories of your amazing strength, how you glide through oceans of blood. They call you Nightwalker, beyond human. A monster whose powers radiate with a darkness that casts a shadow on darkness itself. Finally, I get to know once and for all if there's anything more to you than rumor. When I was human, I feared you. The stories, anyway. And when I gave up being human, when I became this, I began to admire you. You, the first great pioneer of immortality. No matter what the rest of us do, really we're all just chasing your shadow.
That's ridiculous. You fool. There's no such thing as an immortal.
Yes, I know. And once I have your head on a stick, everyone else will know it too. I've never seen anything like me before. I was designed to surpass you in every way. I was born to be your death. A pistol? Do that?